Alright, so our learning target today is I can find the area of a composite shape. So composite means it is made up of multiple shapes. So let's use the greenhouse that my kids and I are building right now. So we're building a greenhouse that is a house that is covered in plastic that can grow plants. So you can grow plants in the spring and the fall, a little bit in the winter time, because it keeps it warm because the sun hits the plastic and it stays warm. So let's look at the front of my greenhouse. The front of my greenhouse looks a little like this, or will. Right now it doesn't look like anything because I need to get to work. So the front of the greenhouse looks like this. Let's make that a little bit better so it looks more even, because it's gotta be even. Okay. Now the wall is 6 feet tall. The bottom, the base, is 8 feet wide, and it has a little bit of a rise right here of 3 feet. And we're going to put the little line across there. Now, what is the area of the front of my greenhouse? Actually, this would be the back because it doesn't have a door. So what is the area of the back of my greenhouse? How much plastic do I need to cover my greenhouse with? Go ahead and pause the video and try to come up on your own. How do you find the area of the back of my greenhouse? So what would you do? Well, you look at this and you say, hey, you know what? I do not know the area of the entire thing, but I can find the area of the different shapes. I know how to find the area of a rectangle. I know how to find the area of a triangle. And I can even do it multiple different ways. So one way I could do it, I could say the area of the rectangle is 6 times 8, which is what? 6 times 8 is 48. Very good. So right here I've got A equals 48. We got feet. So we're going to say feet square foot feet. 48 square feet right here. 48. Now how about this part right here? Well, if we know that this is in the middle, then this is 4 feet. And 4 times 3 is what? Is 12. But it's not 12 because a triangle is not base times height, it's 1/2 base times height. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 4 times 3, which is area equals 6. Half of 12 is 6 feet squared. And this one is the same thing. So I've got another area equals 6 feet square. And so the entire thing, how do I find the whole area of this entire area? Well, I'm going to add the area of my rectangle, which is 48, plus the area of this triangle, which is 6 plus 6. And I get 6 plus 6 is 12. And 8 plus 12, 20. 8 plus 6 plus 6 is 20, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So I get 60 feet squared is my total area. The area of the whole thing is 60 feet squared. Now I could do that a different way. I could have just kind of imagined that this triangle is over here. Right, I can just flip that over there, and I can then say that 4 times 6 is 12, and 12 plus 48 is 60. So I can do it different ways. Anytime that we have a composite figure, a figure made up of multiple figures, we need to find out what parallelograms, rectangles, and triangles we can find in that composite figure. So you're going to draw out those different figures, then you're going to find the area of every single one of them, and then add them all together. So 48 plus 6 square feet plus 6 square feet is 60 square feet. You got it. Excellent job this week. This is our last video. Go ahead and finish strong. Have an awesome weekend, and I will see you next week.